In this video, we're going to walk through how to save suites. I'm going to see like San Francisco into your Google spreadsheet. So first things first, we'll start with a blank spreadsheet. We will copy this up here and we will paste that into here. We're going to click save. We're going to select a few of the columns that we might want, such as address, city, state, and zip, building size, and brochure to start with. It's important that we select suites. That way it actually grabs the suite information, which you'll see in just a second. From here, we navigate through CoStar like we normally would. If we find a particular property we like, we can click on it. And once we're inside here, for each suite, it's going to add these. So there's 6 here, or I'm sorry, 5. It'll add these 5 to the spreadsheet. So click save. And those, each one is being written to the spreadsheet. If we were to navigate to the next property, there's 3. Maybe we want to save these. Same thing. We'll save these 3 properties. So now when we go back to our spreadsheet, we'll notice that we have all this information written to the spreadsheet. So where the address was, the brochure link, Midobel area for each of those suites. So but this suite's basement 1 and at 3,000 square feet, basement 2 at 2,000, etc. We also have some suite space notes as well as a few other columns and links back to the property. Same thing applies for this other space. You can see this broker left a little bit more detailed notes. But here you can easily unpack the suite information and then present those to your clients.